My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the very important update of the Cardano Ada. Absolutely, you need to see this update. Keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. In this video we discuss the price change occur in the Cardano Ada. So let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. The current price of the Cardano Ada in the market is 2.12 USD dollar. On the other side, if you look the price change occur in the Cardano, so the last 1 hour change as positive and last 1 day price change as negative. Last 1 week price change is again positive, friends. Only the last 1 day price change as negative, except of the last 1 day the price change is positive, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Cardano coin. As you can see here, the previous all changes occur in the Cardano is positive. That's mean that the Cardano fall start from the yesterday, friends. But on the other side, if you look the currently last 1 hour price change occur in the Cardano, so the last 1 hour price change is again positive. That's mean that the Cardano is falls down occur, the price of the Cardano is going down. But now, as you can see here, friends, now the chart tells us that is the last 1 day price chart. As you can see here, in the last 1 day the price of the Cardano is falls down, as you can see here, but now they again start jumping. As you can see here, the last 1 hour, so now they recover, they're trying to recover the falling period of the Cardano coin, friends. So now it's time to again start jump, it's time to again explode in the market. So absolutely, first of all, I am very happy and I want to congrats all of my holders and especially my subscriber holders. So congratulations to all of my subscriber who's hold Cardano, friends. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel and don't do this mistake at this time, friends. Don't decide to sell Cardano because now it's the beginning of the Cardano, and I hope Cardano start jump for a long time and they continue this kind of jump for a long time. Anyways, if you look the last 1 day price change occur in the Cardano, so now this time the price change as a negative 8.61%, but very soon the price change become positive, friends, because now at this time the Cardano will start jump. So with the passage of time the price change become positive, and the highest price of the Cardano is 2.45 USD dollar, friends. So now it's time to hold. What's your opinion, what's your prediction about Cardano? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to BStake channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.